Welcome back, guys. Out here at the Florida Keys at Long Key Bridge with my two cousins, Derek, Chris, and my dad. Let's see what we catch.
Nice.
What did he catch? A mutton?
Yeah.
A big one? How big one? Un paco criollo. Is he that big?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, hold on. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Hold on. What up? Huh? Let me see. How big is he? Oh, damn, he's nice. All right, watch out, because I'm gonna drop it. Go on this side. Go on this side. Go on this side real quick.
I don't want to be near the bridge though.
I know, but don't let him run. Hold on.
Oh, he ain't going nowhere. He's tired. I'm keeping his head up.
Yeah, that's a nice mutton, bro.
I don't think it's legal, yo.
He looks legal.
What is it, 18 now?
18 now, though.
Yeah, I don't
Hold
know
on.
about 18.
Hold on. All right, go. Wait up. Go a little bit back. No, when I mean back, walk back. And I'll let you know. Hold on. Walk. No, hold on. Oh, wait. No. Hold on. Derek, hold on. Just slip. Hold on. No. Walk.
Which way?
Hold on. Just keep it right there. Got him.
You sure?
Positive. Start reeling.
I've never caught a mutton this close.
18.
Yeah, you know.
That's a nice mutton, dude. That's a real nice mutton.
So I have to make some nice sandwiches though.
Yeah, but I don't think he might
In
not
the
be.
old limit, he might have been.
Yeah, exactly.
I think in the old limit, he's there.
He fought hard?
Hell yeah. I thought I had a rock. I was like, oh shit, this is actually a fish fighting hard. Not even on the old limit.
Damn. Wait, he might, with the tail pinch, he's 16.
Barely.
So he was, oh no, I'm sorry, 15 and a half.
Not even legal at the old
15 and a
limit.
half,
That's
yeah. All right.
nice one,
That's a nice mutton, dude.
when they bite, and something like that comes up right away,
It's gonna be a good day.
Nice.
Oh, a yellowtail.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Todo chiquito por acá. Pero bueno, no está mala la cosa.
Nice mangrove. How big you think he is?
It might be legal, barely.
Yeah, if he's 10.
Not for my cooler though.
Yeah. If he's 10, we're gonna toss him.
Smaller.
Oh, he's small.
No,
He's
it's
little.
close, but not it. Oh, there's a
He's
school right over there, bro. Keep getting it.
Come on, Derek. Another mutton. I think it's a mutton. Real, bro. It's another mutton. Nice. Nice, dude. I'm gonna call you Mutton Man. You got your pliers?
No, I don't have. You said we were not even permanent. We're just fishing.
There you go. Nice, dude. Real nice.
Oh,
You caught a yellowtail.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice, good job. Damn, you guys didn't wait for me to film, dude.
We couldn't. I set him up, and all of a sudden it smashed it.
Look over here, Poopy. That's a nice yellowtail too. Nice, bro. Good job, man.
Very nice. You know?
Got him. Oh my God, it keeps coming off, bro. Come on, dude. What's wrong? Damn, Timmy.
Nice fish, huh? Yeah, the small one. Yeah.
Ah, he swallowed. Great.
All right.
There we go. Ah. Se me cuevó, bro. It got rocked. It started coming out, but it got rocked. I wonder what the hell it was, bro. Bobby. Empezó, yeah. Empezó. No, no, no. I had him. No sé qué será, pero se me cuevó, man. And I.
Yeah, lo que sale, sale.
Damn, bro.
Nice try, bro.
Oh! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Nah. Damn, bro. Freaking mangrove. Hey, he swallowed a big shrimp, though. I keep losing him. I think something's wrong with the hook. Or it's just an excuse. Oh! Oh! And it's... I think it's a big mangrove. Yes, it's a big mangrove. Woohoo!
Nice.
Hell yeah. Mira, Bobby. Mira la cubreta esa. Está buena, eh? Oh, I gotta get this camera.
Bobby.
Come on. Don't let him break you off. Oh, he caught a yellow jack, bro. Derek. He caught a yellow jack. These are really good, bro. Yeah. Hell yeah. These are really good. Did he fight nice?
Yeah, he fought nice.
Nice, dude. He fought hard, huh? Another yellowtail? Oh, damn, they're getting bigger, though. That's a bigger one. Yeah, nice movie. Ay, mira la rubia esa.
Yo creo que abajo el puente sí hay, ¿no? Me dan unos jalones. Oh, yeah.
Caught? Don't put too much drag. Go, 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 go. Come on, fight it, fight it, fight it. Oh! Pupi cogiendo. Derek, check this out. Vai, sai daí.
Espérate.
Estava allá, estava afuera. Put. Fight him good, Pupi, fight him good. Oh shit, va a coger para abajo y para tirar la línea. Ah, he's gonna break you off, bro. He's gonna break you off. Pupi. Be careful the line doesn't rub on the bridge. There we go. Try to bring him out. See him?
Nice.
Oh my God! Wait! Don't bring it up! Let's get the thing. Hold on. Espérate, Pupi, hold on, Pupi. Pupi, hold on. Dude, how'd you catch him on?
Straight on pylon, shrimp.
On shrimp?
Yeah.
All right, ready? Come towards me.
Whoa.
Wait, hold on. I don't want you to lose him, bro. Come back. Wait. Shit, hold on, Pupi, hold on.
Don't worry about it. Just throw that back.
Hold on. No, wait, hold on. Let me just... Hold on.
Tíralo para adelante,
Pupi, down. Go back, move a little bit more back. Derek, back, not forward, bro. Hold on, Pupi, hold on. Don't put too much pressure on him. Hold on. Ah, la barracuda se lo va a comer. Mira la barracuda ahí.
Tíralo para adelante.
All right, ready? Now come towards me. Ah. Got him. Bro, there was a cuda looking at him, bro. He was gonna eat him. Tell me that's not the hardest fight of your life. Pupi, pick up the run.
Sorry.
That's fine.
Reeling. Slow.
I'm keeping this one. Boy, it's a massive one, bro.
On the shrimp?
Yellow jack.
On the shrimp.
Yellow jack.
That's a nice fucking jack.
Bro,
Straight on the
Derek,
pylon.
come on, dude.
Straight on the pylon.
Nice, dude. Check it out, guys. My cousin, Chris, caught a 20-inch, 19 and a half, 20-inch yellow jack. Check that out, guys. Good job, Poopy. Derek.
Rosso, ¿te la cogieron entonces?
La comieron. Show 'em.
Destroyed that crab.
Wow. There you go. There you go. Oof. Got him. Got him. Got him. Oh, come on, bro. A yellowtail, bro. Come on, dude. Yeah, the tarpon, yeah. All right. Hey, shit, we both caught yellowtails?
Huh?
We both caught yellowtails?
Yeah.
Put it up here. Nice. Look at the barracuda trying to eat my shit. Bastard. Nice snapper. Nice snapper. Oh, that's a nice snapper. It's a nice little snapper, boy. Chunky too. Yeah, 10.5. Damn, he's a chunky 10.5. Oh, this snapper has been eating good. The parasite. Bro, this is the chunkiest. This is the chunkiest 10.5-inch snapper that I've seen.
Holy shit, he's fat.
He's fat. I'm gonna let him go because he has a worm.
Oh yeah, definitely get rid of him.
Ah, shit. No, Bobby, es algo.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You good?
I don't know. Do you guys see or no? Or I'm stuck? I might be stuck. Catching bait on the bait rod. This is called a slippery.
Bro, they're biting like
Beep. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Caught him. Caught him. There, caught him. Caught him. Algo grande. Yeah, yeah, look, he's pulling drag. Look. Come here. Oh, don't tell me it's a sea turtle.
you got the stingray.
Did I get the sea turtle?
I hope not. No, that's not the sea.
No, it's not. All right, tengo algo grande. Get ready to get the. He's right here. He's right here. Look at him. Ah, he's going under the bridge. No.
Come on, Harold. You got it.
Derek, bring the net. Poopy, poopy, hold on.
What do you want me to do?
Look at him right there. A big mutton.
Nice.
A mutton, come on. Thank you, bro. Oh, la barracuda. Hurry up. Dude, the barracuda, man. Ay, me lo va a partir, papi. Me la va a coger, mira, mira. Mira, mira, me la va a coger. Look at the barracuda, dude. Look at the barracuda. Hurry up, throw it.
Huge bear.
Yeah, hurry up. Throw it down, throw it down. It's gonna bite my shit. Hurry up. Hurry up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Just drop it, I'll bring it to you.
Can you bring it?
Yeah, but you gotta go towards my dad.
No, tienes que tirarlo para adelante de la... Derek, tíralo para adelante de... Muévete, por favor.
Derek, Derek. Bring it. Poopy, help him out.
Derek, tíralo para
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Ya, ya,
Last time you effed it up. Hold on, hold on. Go, ready? Drop it, just drop it, drop it. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Go, lift it up. No, it fell out. Damn it, hold on. Ready?
It's coming out, you got it.
Wait. Drop it again. Poopy, help him.
Done.
Bring it over here.
Oye, tienes que tirarlo para adelante.
Hold on, hold on. Hold on, just keep it right there.
I got you.
Keep it right there.
Put it in. I got you. Hold on.
Ahí dale.
I got it, bro. I got it.
Suelta ya. Ya.
Oh, you saw that barracuda? ¿Tuviste la barracuda esa?
Muchacho, bonita se ve. Tiene-
You.
¿Cuánto mide?
I don't know. That might be the one I caught this morning.
No, he's not that big. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Yeah, nice. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Good. ¿Eh?
Thank you. Thank you.
La regla.
I don't know if he makes the overall though.
Yeah, I don't think he's. He might be like. He might be like 15.
He might make the overall.
Damn, he swallowed it. You see?
Fuck, yo no tengo los bolos ahora.
Papi, coño, man.
¿Cuánto tiene?
No.
14.
14? Those are some big tarpons.
Those are big targets.
Some really, really big tarpons.
Got a lot of good footage today.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're done for the day. We had fun. We caught a lot of fish, mangrove snappers, a lot of yellowtail, and my cousin Chris caught a 20-inch yellow jack. Make sure to follow him on Instagram. What's your Instagram?
Poppybass_.
Poppybass_. I'll go ahead and put a link to it. Thank you guys for watching.